In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on Canon image class LBP226dw printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to copy the link that I have pasted at the YouTube description. Once you have copied it, please open your Google Chrome and at the Windows address bar, make a right click and click on paste. Click on the enter key in your keyboard and that way you'll be able to see our printer driver, which is the image class LBP226dw. Okay, so please scroll down and here you can see a drop down menu where here it will automatically detect the operating system, which is Windows 11. So by that, you need to proceed to the third driver, which is the generic plus UFR2 printer driver. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can now start the downloading process. So in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once completed, navigate to the top right corner. You can see your download icon. Click on that one. And here, please click on folder icon to show it in folder. Once you are here, you need to make a right click while selecting it and then click on this cat icon. Once done, close the windows being opened. Here at the desktop, make a right click and then click on paste. Once you have pasted the file here, you need to double tap to extract or unzip it, or either make a right click and then use your WinRAR tool if you have to extract this one. So click on WinRAR and go with extract to. In a few moments, you will be able to successfully create a new file folder. This would mean that we will now start the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. Now to install, here at the start, navigate, here make a right click and scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane, find for Bluetooth and devices, click on that one. Once you click on it, you can see their printers and scanners, click on it. And from here, you'll see this option called Add Device. Click on here and wait until you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, directly click on it. Please proceed to add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Then click on Next. Click on this downloader key and select any of these three USB ports. It could be 1, 2, or 3. Once you've set it, click on Next. Click on Have Disk and you need to tap on Browse. So in a few moments, you will window to your extracted file, navigate to the desktop, and from here, please scroll down, find for the extracted file, double tapped, and there you can see the driver, double tapped again, okay, and there you can see it. So by that, click on it and click on open and go with okay. Once you've set it, click on next, and you can now rename it. So in my case, I'll be setting Canon LBP with 226dw. So click on next and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next, click on finished. And there you go, you have just successfully installed this Canon LBP226dw printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.